Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Burp Suite latest version on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to swigger.net. Click on products. In this video I am going to download Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on it. Then go to downloads. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 2026.1. Select the community edition from this list, then select the Linux, then click on download. See, download started and its size is 349 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls. See here we have the .sh file. We have to install it. Now we have to change the properties. Chmod a+x, then buff, hit enter. Now execute it. Sudo ./buff, hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. Click on next. This is the destination directory. If you want some other, click on browse. I'm okay with this default one, so click on next. This is the destination directory for Symlinks. Click on next. See, it is installing. See, successfully installed. Click on finish. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on it. Terms and conditions. Select this. Click on this. I accept temporary project in memory. Click on next. Start buff. See, we got the Burp Suite. Okay. Go to dashboard. Target. Okay. You can go through the documentation and you can practice. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Burp Suite Community Edition 2026.1 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.